David, a 48-year-old software engineer from Berlin, Germany, chipped a front tooth while playing soccer. The chipped tooth not only affected his smile but also caused him discomfort when eating. Concerned about the high cost of dental procedures in Germany, David explored his options abroad. Unlocking the power of affordable dental solutions. The Circle Care in Egypt provides a range of dental restoration options to address your unique needs, all at a fraction of the cost you might expect at home. Here's a glimpse. Veneers. These thin shells of porcelain or composite resin are bonded to the front surface of your teeth, creating a natural-looking and durable solution for chipped, cracked, or discolored teeth. Price may vary. Crowns. Crowns completely encase a damaged or weakened tooth, restoring its strength, shape, size, and appearance. Price may vary. Implants. For missing teeth, implants offer a permanent and natural-looking solution. A small titanium screw is surgically placed in your jawbone, acting as an anchor for a custom-made crown. Price may vary. Experience a smile. Transformation in Egypt. The Circle Care's team of experienced dentists in Egypt utilizes advanced technology and high-quality materials to ensure exceptional results. Their unbeatable prices make achieving your dream smile a reality. Embrace a new smile with confidence. Ready to transform your smile and regain your confidence? Schedule a consultation with the Circle Care in Egypt today. Explore their affordable veneer, crown, and implant options and experience the difference a beautiful smile can make.
You can also ask about stretch marks, scars, cellulite, and removal varicose veins removal. Session price range from $30-$60 USD. Only you can find this price in Egypt. Reverse the gravity with the Circle Care your medical advisor in Egypt.
Then Egypt is calling your name. Get ready for an adventure that will tantalize your taste buds, transport you to a bygone era, and leave you shaking your hips with a smile. This land is a treasure trove for history buffs, beach lovers, and foodies alike. Welcome to our channel for medical facilitation. For more of medical packages in Egypt, follow, like, and share our channel The Circle Care for Medical Tourism.